Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later a collection of mistakes called experience, which leads us to height of success. You'll never be brave if you don't get hurt. You'll never learn if you don't make mistakes. You'll never be successful if you don't encounter failure. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, and your concern. Pain is like a wound someday. It will heal and turn into scar. It won't hurt anymore, but the memories will remain. If you want to build a self-confidence, you have to do what you're afraid to do. The pain you feel today is the strength you'll have tomorrow. Take a deep breath. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. Find someone who is proud to have you, scared to lose you, fight for you, appreciates you, respect you, care for you, and loves you. The most valuable currency in your life is time. Spend it wisely. An intelligent person keep 3 things private at any cost. 1. Financial details. 2. Personal goals. 2. Their struggle and failures. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.